Hi everyone, this is Meru Nafras. Just for an entertainment, I came back to you. So let's speak about very important matter, self-confidence. How many of you know the word meaning self-confidence? In the Google, I find the word meaning confidence, which means the Latin word confidia. It's mean trust. Trust. So when you are talking about self-confidence, you are talking about self-trust. If you don't have self-trust, you do not have self-confidence. That's the meaning. So unfortunately, that is a reality a lot of people having, including me. Self-confidence. Even I am not a self-confident person before, but right now I'm a great confidence person, and I could speak even in a thousand crowded of people or whatever. If a community, even I don't have any problem. I developed my confidence and my self trust in my daily day-to-day life. So I think, do you want to know how I develop it, how high I have my self-confidence or my self-trust? Yes, there's a story behind it. Let me tell you. Yes, when I was in the 12th grade, I was sitting in a bench with my friends. My English teacher, her name is Jean Miss. I studied in Calicut Girls Vocational Higher Secondary School. In the class of 12th, my teacher has told me, she just called me up from the bench, and I just stood up, and she told me to read a speech which she has written in a paper. And this speech, even I just blundered how I will write, how I will read it. Even I don't know how to pronounce and how, what is the vocabulary, and what is, how to fluent the word, everything I don't know. Even I couldn't read the single word or single sentence. I will make mistakes, I know that. And anyway, I just started reading. And the speeches started like, ladies and gentlemen. I just given an expression which just simply I given an expression like ladies and gentlemen. By reading this first line, my teacher and my friends was giving me a great applause. Then I realized my reading was stupendous. And I continued the reading and I completed this full speech. Then, after my teacher and my friends were given me a great appreciation, and everybody just told me, Meru, you did a great job. Your reading was fantastic, and your pronunciation, your fluency, everything was great, and all. I was very surprised. Even I don't know what I read. Then after my teacher, my gene teacher has told me that, Meru, you have a great capability to be a great English teacher in your life, and you just go away for that. And your reading was superb, and your pronunciation, the way of your pronounce the word and the fluency, I know that you actually don't know how to pronounce or how the fluency has to be created, but you did a great job. So you have a great you have a great something is just waiting for you, so you don't give up, just be as English teacher in your life. Yeah, then I started learning English. See, what is English? No matter, I am not talking about that. How I created my self confidence. The day I created my self confidence, my teacher and my friends has given me great applause. That was my self confidence. See, something immense pleasure is there in my inner mind. I just come to out of the world, and while speaking a speech, my self confidence has come out. Then why don't your confidence? Everybody have a confidence in your inner body. That's you have to find out, and you have to take it out of the world. Even when you are talking to the talking talking to your students, or talking to your community people, or talking to your friends or your colleagues, your principal, manager, whoever it is, just stand a proper manner and speak very confidently if the matter is a reality. If the real matter of the or the matter is a the matter we are talking about is a real truth, we doesn't matter, never bother, and even nothing will happen to us badly in our life, right? So I still have some anxious to do something, something new in my life, because there are lots of failure things that's stand behind of us. So never think about the failure of which we have already done. Just go through the life, and if anxiety is there in your inner mind, you could do the better. You could do better things in your life. And even I just created a courage and a self strength and everything. I have a strength, a great strength. Sometime when we were going to the interview for any school or any other department, some of the interviewers, we were asking about us, do you have any failure, or what is your strength and weakness? We could say our strength is I could communicate. As an English teacher, I could say that I could communicate very fluently, or very very fluently, to my friends, or my students, or my colleagues. And if they're asking about my weakness, I can say, my weakness is I'm not complete as an English teacher. I could learn. I have to learn something more, much better than this. So there is a lots of things we have to take out of the world. But for that instance, we have to create a self confidence. If we don't have self confidence, nothing can create the world. So my dear friends, and my dear students, and my dear colleagues, everybody, I'm telling you, just create self confidence in your life. Just go away and just don't give up, and be just create different anxieties in your life. Just take to the world out. So wish you very all the best. Thank you.